Alright, this is probably the most necessary or useful add-on anybody could get on their cars. It doesn't have to be a sports car, it could just be any car you add it onto, and it is these little blind spot stick-on mirrors that you can just stick on there. I got these at O'Reilly's for like $5 for two. There's one over there. But I'm pretty sure you can get it at AutoZone, Walmart, wherever there's like a little car section. And these are incredibly useful, just because these side windows are pretty tiny, and on that side it's kind of hard to see. And this is a base model 86. Ooh, I almost tripped over that. This is a base model 86, so I don't have any blind spot sensors, but my truck does have blind spot sensors, and I still use these just because I trust my eyes better than a computer or any sensors, because all it does is just kind of yell at you, and I'd rather just see the car before I start changing lanes, so I don't have to deal with all of that. Here's on this side. They're pretty small, easy to stick on. These mirrors are kind of small anyways, so they take up quite a bit of space, but it's still useful. Still useful to have. I guess I will show you what it looks like on the inside. This is how it looks like on the inside. And my favorite part is I don't know if you can see, I can kind of see my tires. So it helps me avoid hitting the curb and ruining the wheels. Same on that side. Helps me avoid hitting any type of curb. And I'm not used to driving tiny little sports cars. I'm used to driving my truck and not having to worry about that. I still try not to hit curbs, but with this being tiny and all, it's much more does more harm if I hit a curb. In the truck, I just kind of go over it. So I am trying to be extra careful. So yeah, I think everybody should get these. I don't know if I mentioned, I got these at O'Reilly's for $5, real cheap. Go get one of these. Oh, and I also did another small little add-on. Got a screen protector, $5 as well. If you have a big screen like this, your car gets very dirty. You get a lot of dust and dirt in here, and wise to just get a protector to protect this. Alright, I've switched cameras. I'm now using my head-mounted phone camera. Originally I was using this. So, let's just go for a quick drive. I'm gonna try not to talk on this one, just because I think it'll be nice to enjoy the drive, and I think my commentary is not the best. Turn that off. Go home. Let me turn down the air as well. Alright, let's get going. bad shift. Almost at 1,000 miles now. I'm still not very good. There's a nice Mustang right there. thanks for watching that short little scenic drive up that hill. I think I'll probably end the video there. That was fun. Short little drive. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you.